Touch Science.
Hello, Earth Science students. It's been a while since you've seen my face, so I wanted to do a little video announcement to give you a little heads up of what we got going on this week. Okay, so just to give a little wrap up, last week you started to take a look at some astronomy stuff. The big question right now is, are there similar places like Earth? You were presented with a graph that represented the habitable zone and some planets that have been discovered in that reside in that zone of their star. You then looked at factors necessary for life and also ways astronomers use to find extrasolar planets, like the Doppler effect, the wobble. Basically, the idea that the universe is a huge space might be something that's hard to wrap your head around, and just how big it is. There are billions of galaxies, and there are even more stars within those galaxies. The idea here is that there's a very good chance that many of these stars have planets around them just like ours, which then means we start looking for the ones that might harbor life in the ways that we understand how life exists. This week, your first assignment is going to be outside of Concord Consortium. The focus is on scale and gravity. There's 2 videos. They're interesting if you give them a chance. And I hope that you're finding astronomy interesting. It takes us out of the realm of what we've been doing, which is kind of nice. So watch the video links and then do the worksheet that accompanies them and submit that. Okay, so this is going to be a little bit more of a traditional submission than we've done in the past. The second assignment goes back into Concord, and you're just going to do activity 3 this week. This activity is a little bit more lengthy than the other activities because there's lots of simulations to work through. So make sure that you work through those simulations and take your time with it. The focus of the module is looking at the motion of planetary bodies. So that means Kepler's laws of planetary motion and exploring the effects of the Doppler effect in terms of light waves. So please take your time, work through the simulations, continue to use supporting evidence in your responses. Another thing that I want to say to you guys is keep up the good work. You've been doing your assignments, you've been being engaged. Most of you are doing are keeping up, and that makes me very proud that most of my Earth Science students have been on doing our activities, staying engaged, and good things will come from that. So I feel like we've taken this challenge head on and we've done well, but it certainly is not like being in school. So I hope that you're all well and staying well. This week the weather should be really good, like really warm. So get outside, right? There's nothing wrong with getting outside, but make sure that you mind the guidelines and make smart decisions. Okay? I miss seeing you guys. It's been a long time. And hopefully when we get back into school, we can all see each other again and be able to high five and all that good stuff. All right, so keep up what you're doing. We got a couple more weeks left. All right, we got this.